that yummy?
Yeah, Mom. It's a baby tomato soup, Mom.
Oh, good. Who made that soup?
Yeah, Mom.
That's right.
Yummy, yummy.
You sure you like it?
Yep. Tomato soup. I eat all for me. But tomato.
What are you having with it?
A salad.
What do you do with the sandwich when you eat it?
And the tomato soup.
Oh, I like that.
Me too. Want me?
Oh, good bite. Yummy.